Here's a quick look at what a car looks like when it arrives to Dorodic. For this agency, and for this run of vehicles specifically, they arrive by car carrier. As you can see, the plastic is still in from the factory, and we do a quick inspection to make sure that there's no issues from the factory. The first step in this upfit was to paint all areas black designated by the agency. And now with the upfit complete, we're going to take a quick look around to see what was installed. In the rear cargo area of this utility, we have a Troy Products drawer system, and below we have an area for storage for your stop sticks. And off to the side, a separate controller for your siren and PA. Another feature of this specific sound-off light bar is the ability to go from red and blue to all white when you need it for takedown. For more information on Dorodic emergency equipment and the services we offer, contact us. 844-433-7684 or email info@dorodicllc.com.